So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And then once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HG classes root. And now you want to find LNK file. So we're going to scroll down to the L section till we find LNK file. Here it is. You're going to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you run this, you should be having something that's called IS shortcut. If you don't have it, then you just want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on string value. We're going to call this IS shortcut. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did. Also, the I at the start is a capital I. It is not L, it's a capital I. So type in IS shortcut and then click on enter. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed. Also, for the second method, you could try running an antivirus scan because one of your files could be infected by a virus.